Hello all. So prelims had completed and now it's the time for the mains preparation. Those who are on the borderline and worried about the prelims result, please don't worry. Why? Because think that this is the journey. This is the process. You are not going to stop with this 2021 attempt. If you are on the borderline, be brave. You will clear the examination. If not, 2022 is your cup of coffee. So for the 2021 attempters and 2022 attempters, I am coming up with essay and essay course. Very strategically, very seriously, very planned, very beautiful content, useful content. We prepared, mainly I prepared from the last 45 days to provide the best ethics in India. Ethics combined with essay, complete course 2021, which is going to start from next Monday, 18th of October. From next Monday, how the course is going to be, how I am going to do the ethics course, I am going to explain in this video. Free governance will be provided with this ethics as well as essay course. It's not only the ethics, but essay also, in which 15 essays will be practiced in the classroom, either offline or online. So total, the session is going to be for 60 sessions. And in the 60 sessions, 45 sessions are for ethics and 15 sessions for general essay. With that, we are going to provide governance classes, free governance course with tests. With tests also, it included tests. Best classes with real-time bureaucratic example, worked a lot, found a lot of examples. Real-time bureaucratic examples, nationally and internationally, how to substantiate your answers, how to substantiate your statements. Lot of examples you are going to get. For example, if I take one, fortitude or honesty or integrity, explanation, one bureaucratic example, one judicial judgment. For every topic in that way, meticulously the content is prepared for you in this ethics course. Guidance and structuring writing good essay, 15 essays. A proper guidance, a proper structuring of your essay will be provided by us. With that, special focus on case studies. 2020 the case studies were very tough. Special high focus is on case studies, how to do the case studies on real time in the examination hall, in the classroom sessions I am going to discuss. Welcome to Vishnu IAS Academy. We are excited to announce the launch of our new courses. Contact us for registrations and counseling. Hard work never fails. Keep learning. Duration 60 days. Ethics is 45 days. Essay is 15 days. Overall, 60 days of course is with ethics and essay. Weekly tests. 8 tests overall. 3 are ethics. 3 are essay. As I told you, 2 governance tests are also free with the governance course. Overall, 8 tests you are going to get in this particular essay plus ethics course. Special care, if anyone clear the prelims and if anyone come near us, we are going to give the special focus for mains goers. Very personal guidance. Proper evaluation in front of you. So special focus will be for mains answer writing students. Free GS value added content. For example, for internal security and disaster management, very proper, very good material I made. Such type of materials will be provided to you. For example, internal security and disaster management content will be provided to you. The best in India. For example, if I take the topic of social equality and if I talk the topic of equity, how I am going to explain this is one topic which I will be telling you. Social equity. Social equality. Equality among the people. Equality among the sections. So in order to understand the social equality, I will be giving the example. In the same way, when I am talking about equity, equity is fairness and justice. For that, we will be having an example in the classroom. So, understanding honesty, understanding integrity, understanding social justice, understanding equity, that basic explanation is very much necessary. With a real-time example, we are doing here. So, 100% it is going to be a useful session. So, the course is going to start. Already enrollment started. Ethics plus essay with governance free. The fees is 20,000 plus GST. So for any information with respect to our course, you can call our number. You can call our number. We are committed. If you are also committed, come on, join us. Jai Hind.